there's a old man, my great-great-great-great-great-great-great-great-grandpappy, back in 1801, living in a settlement down there in northern North Carolina, and fiddler, and he was about 80 years old then, and he'd like to go out in the afternoon and take his fiddle and go out and play tuba out in the woods. And getting older though and kind of losing his way, and that's what he did this day. He lost his way, and it started getting dark, and he got lost, and started getting scared, and so he parked himself up against a fallen tree and started playing tunes and trying to calm himself down. And about dark, why his son and some of the people in the settlement got worried about him, went out looking for him. Well, they could hear the fiddle playing off in the distance, and so they'd go heading over that way, and they'd get over that way, and because of the lay of the mountains down there, they'd get there, and it sounded like it was coming from over here, so they'd go over that way, and pretty soon it sounded like it was coming from over there, so they'd go that way. Well, they searched all night long, and never found him. The fiddling quit, and come daylight, why then they came across him, and he had died laying against this tree, and had his fiddle in his lap. And so his son picked up the fiddle and started scratching around trying to find the tune they'd been hearing all through the night. It's kind of a haunting tune. And so he did finally find it. And so this is they called it Lost Mountain, like they called that place Lost Mountain, so they called this tune. And so anyway, here it is, as it's come to me, down through time, the clan of the moon.